Now, for this problem, I was able to find only the acceleration of this third mass because we know that the mass of B is 1,200 kilograms, mass of A is 1,500, and we know that G is 6.61 times 10 to the negative 11. We were able to figure that out. So the sum of the forces, again, is mass times acceleration. So if you were to simplify it in terms of A and B, we have that GMAMC over 1 minus 0.2 squared plus GMB/MC over 0.2 times 2 equals MC/AC. Now we're going to solve for the AC. AC equals negative GMA 0.8 squared plus GMB 0.2 squared. So now the common factor between both of these equations is that G. So we have 6.6 times 10 to the negative 11 times negative 1,500 over 0.8 squared plus 1,200 0.2 squared. We simplify this problem, and what we're left for the acceleration is 1.83 times 10 to the negative 6.